So we already started eating, but we'll just get this on tape just to show how much we like it. See, we love avocado. You like avocado, little boy? You ready for more? Another bite? You ready for another bite? Oh yeah! Mmm. Whoa, let me put some more on there for you. Ready? Mmm. Is that good? You want more? Mmm. You want more? You like it? Huh? Do you like it? You want this? Oh. Mmm. Is that good? Mmm. Of course, Mommy's